how to archive all emails in new Outlook. So if you want to archive all of your emails in your new Outlook, then first you need to make sure that you have an internet connection. Once you have that, you need to open up your Outlook and make sure that you've logged into your account. Now, once you've logged into your account, if you want to archive your emails in your new Outlook, then you just need simply go and select the emails. Like here, I have these emails right here. So you need to just simply press Ctrl A and all of the emails will be selected. And once you've selected all of these emails, you need to just right click on the emails that you would like to archive. And then here, you'll have an option of archive, which will be on the bottom. You need to click on archive and those emails will be sent to archive. In this way, you'll be able to archive all of your emails in your Outlook, but make sure that you have selected Ctrl A to select all of the emails. And as you can see, all the emails have been selected. And now you can right click and then archive. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.